Hey everyone, it's Joe and Isaias here from the Automator, and today we have a very interesting topic. If you are doing anything with like AI and OCR, and then take those results and do stuff, this is a really good video for you. So check this out. Isaias he brought up a really interesting issue that he's seen, and we noticed it with what's it called from Google's the when you're sharing your screen.
That was the Gemini, the AI studio,
Yeah,
the streaming real time. That
yeah.
was what I
Which
was testing at that
we
time.
played with, and even when he was trying to show me, it was so annoying because it kept talking and like, I think you want this. It was shut up. Anyway, but with what we have noticed is on other AI tools as well. This is why it's not just Google's
Right.
Gemini issue. This is a general AI issue, which is you have to stop thinking like a programmer to help really understand. We're going to explain the problem. We're not going to explain the why it,
Solution.
yeah, why it happened. Well, we have a solution. It's a workaround, right?
Right. But
So
we
go
don't
ahead.
know what is going on really. But is a good topic anyways. Basically, I ran into this because I was sharing my screen, and in my screen I had a list like this, and I pointed to a point in the screen. I said, okay, so from the latest, go to the top and count how many times this particular word showed up. And this seems like a straightforward problem. What I realized is that while I was doing that, the stream here was hallucinating a lot, and I was like, "No, that's not five. It's not 10. It's not 25." It came up with a bunch of numbers. I was like, "Okay, so what is the problem?" So I realized, okay, so if I take a screenshot and I go to at least the ones that I have tested, any AI tool, and paste that screenshot just like that, I tell it how many times does the word shows up in that image. I would usually, not every single time, but I would usually get bad results. So if you count right now, you will see that it is not five, it is actually six. But it came up with the number five. And the more you have, so if you have 20 of those, the weirder the number gets. Sometimes it's very close, sometimes it isn't. But funnily enough, so let's start another thread just to make sure that this is not influenced in any way. So I'm starting a new thread, and I say, okay, what do you see or what text do you see in this image? Give me the text. It would try to OCR it. It would come up with the correct text, and then I say, how many times does the word fix shows up? Or how many you can count? And now it usually comes with the correct number of times. So I realize always perform the OCR first, get the actual text first, which is really good at. Basically, we have been talking about this for a while. The
Our AI
OCR that it does is amazing, right? Once it has the text or it has the context, then tell it to count, and it would do a very good job at it. And Joe, you just mentioned like, hey, in some cases, we should just perform the OCR however means we do that, right? Either we get the text with a library that does that or send it to AI and get the text. And now that we have the text, send the text to AI and tell it to count whatever we want it to count.
I would even argue start a new thread, right? So just
Right.
not risk it. Like, start a new thread entirely with the text as the base instead of originating from the picture. Why not, right? It's easy.
Right. Let me see what happens right here. So it told me the wrong number, right? So then I say, do OCR on the image. Let's see what happens here. Now it's using Python to do that. I have it to always show the details. You don't have to. Now, that's the reason why it's counting it incorrectly, you see? So something is running incorrectly, and now it's empty. Let's see if, don't use Python for that. Just tell me what the text is. And this is the interesting thing, and to your point, Joe, that's the reason why we go into a different thread, is because it might try some things that are not really
Yeah, we
good.
don't know what's going to happen,
But
right?
now that it did tell me, it did give me the text, now count the six words. Now count it. Let's see. Still, you see? And that's the problem. If it gave you the wrong answer the first time, it will be kind of like influenced by it.
And here's part of the problem is which this part I understand is we don't see it here, But you have to remember, if you're thinking about how the process happens, every time we ask another question, it's taking all the previous comments and pushing it, appending it to it, right? And that
Right.
is probably influencing it somehow. So
Yeah,
that's
it
why
will.
if you start fresh, you have a better chance of getting what you want and avoiding that other stuff.
Let me try to force it. Count the word fix in this text. Let's see if I can force it to give me the right answer. No, see, still there.
This
So
is
it is a very important thing that whenever you're doing this type of thing, do it in a separate thread so that it is not influenced by anything bad. And um, I think, and I still think, this is not a GPT 4.0 problem. It is not an open AI, a Gemini AI. It's in general. There is something that is not really
there's a lot of stuff behind the scenes, right?
right.
That's why I said was to us, we were like, well, they're just taking once you have the text, now you use the text. I don't think that's what they do.
Right. I don't think that's what it's doing. Now I'm trying the O1 model. Let me see if it is good. This one was better at it. And probably if I go to Claude, it would perform good as well.
Yep.
But again, it's not a given, especially if you're trying to do it straight off of the image.
Well, but also my main point is, hey, if you're building a tool anyway, the process is nothing to just start a new thread and to take the text. So why risk it, right? Why don't just start a new thread? But we weren't doing that. So with one of our clients, we have a very advanced tool. We're looking at W2 processes and in text and getting stuff. Maybe we'll incorporate that because the OCR, having it done the OCR and moving forward with it may not be as good as starting a whole new thread and working with it.
Right. And right now, if I add this and I make this number a ridiculous number, that what just worked right now might not actually be correct anymore. And that's something that, why risk it, right? So
Right.
if I do the same thing and I try it again, and let me try it in a
Actually,
totally new chat.
yeah, now you won't know how many there really are.
Well, I can do that in the SKU counter right away. How many times do you see the word fix? And while it's doing that, let me copy this. Oh, except for the ones below. Okay, no, that's it. Right, that's okay. So copy.
I would just do a control H for fix, and it would tell
Right,
you.
exactly. That's exactly.
Oh,
So, right, so I'm just gonna do the same thing. It tells me there are 20 in there. So this should come up with something. Oh, wow, it's taking a long time. You see, so this process of counting stuff from an image, it is usually not as straightforward as but look at that. So now it says
so
23 occurrences.
ask this. Say, are you sure?
Yeah, let me see. Are you
Ask
sure?
this on the early one. If we had said, this is one of the other ones I always like to say is are you sure? Rate this auto
Yeah.
and it'll often fix it. So we're basically doing what they're doing with their more advanced models is rechecking what was submitted, right? It's just a good
Right.
and
Which is interesting. And again, this is the reason why I would, and we came up to this while we were discussing it, is like, if you're doing this type of thing, you're trying to count some things, then try it as separate things. All right,
yes.
26 occurrences. Now the number is 26. You see that? So just try it. This is hallucinating. Really, that's what is happening. Now, if I give it the actual text, right, and let me copy it, or let me just do this, fix, and so hold on. Does this tell you how many there are?
Well, no, but when you hit replace all, okay.
The new version of Notepad doesn't do that. But let me copy that, bring it up here, paste, count the word fix. It says 20. That's it. So it is 20. I copy that same text, go to a new thread, and paste it, and do the same thing. Count the word fix. Let's see what it says. That will probably give me 20 there.
I would sure think so.
Yeah, there it is. So again, it seems to be that we are trying to count how many instances of something there are. doing it off of an image is not a good idea somehow.
I wouldn't limit it to just counting when you're just right. It's if you're getting information out of an image with OCR, at least, like that's how general far I would go, and you get the text, it's probably better, whatever you're doing, is just start a new thread with that text and now ask it your questions instead of continuing in the same thread.
Right. That's that's exactly right. All right.
All right. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you're interested in AI, we are considering starting an AI group. So I have a sign-up link. I'll put it up here, which we would be meeting weekly and have a weekly call of learning different things you can do with AI. And we've learned a lot of different stuff on AI, and it's crazy helpful to build them into your scripts or just build tools, standalone tools that you can sell or do whatever with. So you can sign up for that if you're interested. Cheers.